nutrient deficiencies that are common in women. A balanced and a healthy diet can help women tackle common nutrient deficiencies easily. There can be many reasons why women develop nutrient deficiencies. These are an improper diet, hectic schedule, and even a lack of knowledge about what constitutes a healthy diet. A balanced and a healthy diet can help them tackle common nutrient deficiencies easily. Here are some common deficiencies and how to manage them through a healthy diet. First is iron deficiency. Iron is the largest component of red blood cell and binds with hemoglobin and transport oxygen to the cells. Iron deficiency is very common in women due to menstruation. It is also amongst vegetarians. It may cause anemia, fatigue, weak immune system, dizziness, headache, and impaired brain functions. Signs like skin pallor, pale conjunctiva, and thin concave nails with raised edges. The food sources of iron are red meat, shellfish, kidney beans, lentils, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, cashews, and dark leafy greens such as spinach. Adding vitamin C foods alongside with iron-rich foods can enhance iron absorptions. For example, adding lime to iron-rich foods. Next is vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin. It is called the sunshine vitamin and is essential for overall health ranging from healthy hair, healthy bones and hormones, health including fertility. Deficiency symptoms are muscle weakness and bone loss. Vitamin D deficiency contributes to calcium deficiency, resulting in an increased risk of fracture. A healthy diet for women consisting of vitamin D rich sources like salmon, mackerel, egg yolk, and natural sunlight would be beneficial. Next is calcium deficiency. Calcium mineralizes bone and teeth, is required for intracellular signaling, muscle contractions, may also have a preventive role in weight management and a protective role in polycystic ovarian syndromes. The main symptoms of calcium deficiency is an increased risk of osteoporosis later in life. The dietary sources of calcium are dairy foods, almonds, beans, dark green vegetables. Next is vitamin B12 deficiency. B12 is required for proper neurological function and red blood cell formation. The vitamin is only found in natural form in animal products. Vegetarians and vegans are advised to take B12 supplements. Deficiency is common due to not enough B12 in diet. Inability to absorb B12, particularly in people on acid blockers medication and people with inflammation in the small bowel. Few deficiency signs are lemon yellow tint to the skin and eyes and smooth, red, thickened tongue. The dietary sources of B12 are salmon and eggs. Protein deficiency. Protein is an important macronutrient, also known as building block of muscles. Hair, skin, and nails are made of protein. High quality and adequate protein is imperative for the creation of the best hormones in the body. Signs of deficiency are patchy brown skin on cheeks, loss of muscle mass. Dietary sources of proteins are legumes, eggs, cottage cheese, curd, chicken, fish, etc. Next is magnesium deficiency. Magnesium is involved in many enzymatic reactions, is a major constituent of bones, and is a part of the cell membrane. Signs of deficiency includes abnormal heart rhythm, muscle cramps, tremors, restless leg syndromes, fatigue, migraine, and personality changes. The dietary sources are beans, nuts, and sesame, pumpkin, and sunflower seeds. And last is iodine deficiency. It can impair childhood growth, The most common symptoms of iodine deficiency is an enlarged thyroid gland known as goiter. The dietary sources of iodine are strawberries, eggs, fish, dairy, and baked potatoes, which include skin.